Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have a Glossybox. Now I got Glossybox a few years ago and then I kind of stopped it, I think in 2018 is when I stopped it. So I haven't had it for quite a while, but in February they had the just most darling box and I went, oh, I really want to get this one. And I had tried, I was going to get a box last year and it was a disaster. I ordered it and then I canceled before their renewal date and they never sent me the box. And then they finally refunded me my money, but they said, oh, well, you canceled before we shipped it, so we weren't going to ship it. Well, then ship it before the renewal date because I don't want to buy, multiple boxes because these are $21 a month. I did get a deal where you got a month free. So I got, I think it was $90 for 6 months, which is not terrible. It makes it, I think, I can't remember the math. I'll try to put the math down in the description box. But anyway, this is what the February one looks like. I also have the March box as well, so I'm going to unbox both of them. Welcome. My name is Aiden. If you like unboxings, this is the place to be. If you have not already subscribed, if you would consider subscribing, it would mean so very much to me. And this is what it looks like. The paper is so cute. Look at it. It has little headphones on it too. Oh my gosh. If you get Glossybox, if you've gotten in the past, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. I don't think I'm going to continue it past the 6 months. I decided that was the best way to get it, the cheapest way, but I'm not going to continue subscribing after that. So you do get a little card. It does have things on the back. So if you're interested, I will have a referral link to get points down below. Let's open it up. I'm just really impressed with how cute this month is. That was one of the things I really liked about Glossybox. One, the boxes are really nice and they're high quality, but they had some beautiful limited edition boxes. I'm trying to take the sticker off very carefully. I don't want to rip the paper because this paper is so cute. So that's what it looks like inside. The first thing here, let's pull out this. This is a Pearl Brightening Sleep Mask, and this is from LAPCOS. I've gotten stuff from them in the past. So this is apparently a full size. This retails for $6. And it's, I don't know how many uses, but I do like these that have the little twist so you can reseal the foil packets. I do use sleeping masks, but I have so many moisturizers that I don't know when I'm going to get around to actually using that one. All right, next up in here is a shampoo and conditioner, and these are from Natura. I thought this was the word, and I was like, I don't know what that is. These Patauá, I'm thinking. It's a shampoo and a conditioner. They retail for $8 for the mini size. Full size is $47. So let's see what these look like. Oh, the bottles are cute. So that's what it looks like. It's a very dark liquid. It does have an expiration date printed on it. They have a pleasant kind of slightly greeny, but not overwhelmingly greeny. Sometimes you get some natural shampoos that just are overwhelming in their scent. So that's what the conditioner looks like. It does have, I wish they were more full. I feel like I'm not getting a full size bottle, but I know it goes by ounces and not by how full the actual bottle is. It's just the principle of the thing. So that was the next. And then for a second, I thought there was a missing product, but there's something underneath the little snakies. From SYS Superfood for Your Skin. This is a moisturizing cream with prickly pear. This retails for $20. So this is half the size of their full size, which is actually pretty good. That actually looks really nice. I'm kind of excited. I love moisturizers. I have so many moisturizers, but I'm always loving to try new ones. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but it feels nice on the skin, actually. Now I'm getting a little bit more of a scent. Oh, that's a really familiar scent, and I I can't put my finger on exactly what it smells like, but it's very familiar to me. All right. Then we have from Bellapierre, this is a shimmer powder, and they had 3 shades you could get: Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. And I got Wow, which is like this lilac type color. That is so pretty. Okay, there's a little dot of it on my... Wow. Okay, I get where they get the name from. That is really pretty. That would make a beautiful eyeshadow. Like, I don't know if I would use that as a highlighter, but this says it retails for $15. I guess it doesn't say that this isn't a full size, but this seems very tiny. Like, this definitely feels like an eyeshadow size. I would think that based on the name that it would be like a highlighter, but perfect as eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. I don't know if I would use it as a lip color. Let me know your thoughts on that. All right, the final thing in the box is from Avant. This stuff is always so expensive. This says it is a full size also, and it retails for $71. I don't know about you, but I would never pay $71 for something that is a third of an ounce. Like, that's not very much. This is a Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. I'm not going to open it because I have some other lip scrubs I'm trying to use up. But dang, $71 for a lip oil that's not even that big. I mean, a lip scrub that's not even that big. Wow. So the value of this box is actually pretty darn high if you believe all of the prices. So we have $71 and $15. Like, I will use both of these eventually. Then we have $8 for the shampoo and conditioner, which is definitely something I will use, which is really good. The sleeping mask was $6, and then the deluxe mini of the moisturizer was $20. So a good value for a $21 box. Maybe not as fun or spectacular as, you know, like a BoxyCharm, which is basically used to be the same amount of money, or even Allure sometimes feels like it's a little bit more value. But I think everything in here I will eventually use, which is actually very unusual. And that's kind of part of the reason why I decided to grab it, because, I mean, and then obviously I just really love the box. Let's move on to the March Glossybox. It is in just the regular boring box, which is a little disappointing. This is what it looks like inside. It says Pretty Pleasures is this month's theme. The theme in February was Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat, which fits with the box. All right. So this one does not, this is what it looks like. It's just the pink paper. I don't feel as bad ripping this piece of tissue paper because it's not nearly as cute. The first thing in here I'm seeing is a foil packet, and this is a Golden Eye 24 karat, not hour, gold hydrogel eye patches. They're $6 for a single treatment. You get 30 treatments for $54. So that seems that math does not seem right. So I will try those. I do use under eye masks occasionally. I was using a lot more of them last year. I haven't used any this year. I need to start using up some of the ones that I have. Then we have the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is it scented? It looks like it's grapefruit scented. Yes. So this retails for $5. The full size is $36. Again, the math is not making sense to me. So this is a 1 ounce, and it says it's $5, but a full 6 ounces is $36. So wouldn't that make this $6? What's going on with their math? Anyway, I'm not a big fan of the Ultra Repair Cream. I probably will eventually use this, and maybe since it's scented, I'll use it as like a hand cream or something. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on Ultra Repair Cream and what you think about it. Then we have from Caudalie, this is the Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. This retails for $26 for a 10 ml, which is this size, but the full size is 30 ml for $79. Again, math doesn't seem to be computing. I don't know. So I think I'm actually going to pass this along. Usually I never pass along serums, but I've used this one and I'm just kind of over it. it's nothing that I really like. The last time I used it, I was like, why am I using this? So I think I'm going to pass this one along, which is a huge deal for me because I never pass along very much skincare at all. Then we have from Cab Cosmetics. This is a lip gloss, I believe. And this is in the shade Sugar and Spice. This is not a lip gloss that I will reach for. I kind of like the packaging. It's a slightly matte feel to it. It's just not a color I would wear. I don't wear a lot of lip glosses. They're just not my thing. So that retails for $18. That's actually a pretty good price for a lip gloss. Like, I feel like that's a good thing. This lid was not tight on this. This is from Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. I've had one of these before and I really liked it. I really do like cleansing balms. I've started using them more so than like my cleansing wipes, but I still love my cleansing wipes. This is, and I'm liking that it's a pore clarifying one. This retails for $3. It's 5 ml. The full size is 100 ml for $22. That's actually a pretty good price for a cleansing balm. So I'm excited to try that one. That's a good one. And then the final thing in here is not, oh, it says product may vary, because I was like, this is supposed to be a hand cleanser, a no rinse hand cleanser, and this is not. So what it's saying here retails for $10 or full size is $28. And it was a bergamot and jasmine no rinse hand cleanser, which sounds amazing. That sounds like a hand sanitizer with bergamot and jasmine, which are two amazing scents. Didn't get that. Got a eucalyptus and tea tree hand balm. I am not a fan of eucalyptus or tea tree as a scent. They kind of give me a headache. So this has shea butter, jojoba, and sweet almond oil. And then they have the essential oils. Delicately fragranced and feeling beautifully soft. I don't think either of those as like delicate scents. Okay, it doesn't smell too bad. I probably will use it. I'm very disappointed that they had different variations for this. Yeah, bummed about that. So I guess the eye patches were supposed to be an extra treat. This box for me was not as good as the original one, like, because I'm excited to try everything in the February box. This, like the hand balm, whatever, not super excited about. Lip gloss definitely will be passing along. Like, it's a good value. I'm assuming this is probably about the same price. So I'm assuming this is like a $10 value because it says the full size is 250 usually mil, and that's a 75 mil. This is $18. So not so bad of a value, but just not as many things as I will use. I'm excited to use the cleansing balm. That's a $5 value. The serum, not excited about. That's a $26 value. Not super excited about the Ultra Repair Cream. That's a $5 value. And the eye patches, like, I'm excited about the eye patches as I throw the thing on the floor. I'm excited about the eye patches, but overall, I don't think the March was as good of a box for me as the February one. I'm really interested to know what your thoughts and opinions are. Which ones are you more excited for? Which one did you think was a better box? What do you think of Glossybox? Are you excited to see 4 more of these boxes on my channel? Let me know all of those details down below. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.